もしもし。
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Meron pa akong putong nakuha ngayon. Nakatali ang aking hair. Mag-uumpisa po tayo magluto. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko pambatiin kayo lahat ng magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa anumang sulok ng mundo. Just think positive or negative. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Ang okay ang aking aura ngayon today. Look at that. Parang hindi pwede sa kusina yung aking hair ngayon. Parang pangsuot ng gown. Joke. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng most requested ng aking mga apo. Kasi natikman na nila dati and they're still looking for it. I'm going to cook chicken and mushroom rice casserole. So let's go to our kitchen. Not my kitchen, just the kitchen that I'm going to use. Okay guys, let's start!
Fine. She's cooking now. So we're gonna hurry up. Come on. How long does that take, Mom?
It takes 1 hour.
1 hour. Come on, go to the rest. Come on.
Fry all the chicken first. By the way, binabad nga pala yan sa paprika, salt and pepper, and chicken powder. Ganyan binabad bago saka air fry. Babaliktaran na natin. If it's brown, that's the color that we like. Ito ang kulay ng manok na gusto nating makita. That's the one. Yung medyo brown. By the way guys, this is my own version of chicken mushroom rice casserole. Kaya my own version kasi I have my own ingredients. Some of the ingredients is different. Yung ibang ingredients is naiiba kasi iniba ko. Kaya my own version. Pero tingnan natin kung anong mangyari. Yan, ayan na. Ganda na ng kulay niya, di ba? Brown siya. Tapos pagkatapos niya mamaya tatanggalin na natin dyan. Tapos magigisa na tayo ng bawang sibuyas at yung mushroom. This is the perfect brown na siya. Perfect brown na yung ating manok. Kaya nga pala, ang ginamit kong manok dito ay yung Thai kasi mas malasa. Pero, depende naman sa inyo, optional kung anong part ng chicken ang gusto nyong gamitin. Tanggalin na natin siya kasi sasalang na natin gigisa na natin yung bawang at saka sibuyas. Hirap pag walang stand ang ano. Yan na guys. Yan na yun. Tapos, we'll put the onion. Ginamit natin yung pinagprituhan we use the oil from the chicken, the butter, kasi that's what yun yung masarap na ano, yung little brown na ganyan, na medyo ano na yung transparent na yung sibuyas. Tapos lagyan na natin siya ng garlic, guys. This is the garlic. More garlic. Actually, I put 2 tablespoons of garlic para mas malasa. There. Make halo-halo lang. Stir. Walang stiran. And then, we will put now the mushroom. There you are. Keep on stirring, probably 5 minutes or 3 minutes until medyo lumambot yung mushroom ng kaunti. Then we will put the sour cream. I'll put the sour cream. Yan guys, sour cream. And we will put chicken broth. Chicken broth, depende na sa inyo kung gaano karami yung kanin mo. Since marami to, kasi yung bigas ko ay, my rice was at 1.5 cup. So, medyo marami ng kaunti. Kaya ang chicken broth, or if you have chicken powder, nor chicken powder, lagyan mo na lang siya ng 1.5 cup of water. Tapos, lagyan mo siya nito. But if you have chicken broth, you can put chicken broth. Then, we'll season with salt. A little bit salt. Little bit only. Oh my God, this looks amazing already. Finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like my video today, and see you guys all next time. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Bye! Have a good day. Bye-bye! And bon appetit. Maglaway kayo. Joke. Char-char lang. Love you all, and please subscribe.